like, I'm gonna be cool, I'm not gonna make the sound. And then, if you've seen the show, there's the episode where I don't use a saber, but I do pick up a blaster. And first take of that, nailed it. I mean, practical effects, people are flying away, you know, like, it's so cool. And right away, I'm like, oh my God, that was really good. And they're like, we're gonna do it again. I'm like, oh, what for? Sound, camera, whatever. Like, you were making the blaster sound. I was like, oh my God, I wasn't prepared not to make the blaster sound, because when they showed me, they were like, pew, 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 pew. I was like, imagine the intensity of that scene, but I'm like, pew, 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 pew.
Actually, like, one of the reasons for that is because there's no, like, recoil.
No recoil.
With weapons in Star Wars, so instead of, like, if you're pretending it, there's no pushback. So you often make sounds because you almost need to tell yourself when you're shooting. Because, yeah, so I was doing that too. Anyway.
So I made blaster sounds, but not saber sounds. Yeah.
Diana, on both